Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi. And today we're continuing with our Driving Across Jamaica series. And we'll be going from downtown Kingston, Jamaica to Halfway Tree and a little beyond that to Eastwood Park Road, where it joins back to Constant Spring Road. And we will also be going by Halfway Tree Road. So we're here on North Street, going across onto South Camp Road, and we could have also started from down further on South Camp Road, but it was just convenient at this time. So we're going to turn left at going from off this road onto South Camp Road. So this road is North Street, and we just passed Kingston College on your right. So we're going straight up to we're going straight up to this road, South Camp Road, and you're passing the murals here, and we're going to straight up until we pass some more murals. So this road here, South Camp Road from downtown. And we are gonna pass the famous Sabina Park cricket grounds, and we have a lovely surprise today where we now have some murals on the wall, and some of it is also of some of the famous cricketers. So if you visit Jamaica, make sure you go, and you're a fan of cricket, you can go by here and check out the murals on the wall right there. You can see them. So I slow down the video so you could have a good look. And remember to check out my website and check out my Jamaican t-shirts and other items, and also some other fitness items. Here we're passing the Suzuki motor dealer, and we're going to go up a little further. We have I'll point out wherever I see the motor vehicle dealers, and we are also at Stewart Auto Sales, and this is a Mercedes-Benz, and we're passing Budget Car Rentals, and we're coming up to this stoplight where you turn right to go to Deanery Road, and on your left you have one of the traffic courts. So you have South Camp Road, and it goes up and merges with Camp Road. And because what we call Up Park Camp, where the Jamaica Defense Force is, where the soldiers are, it's on that road. So that's why they call it Camp Road. So we go up a little further, and we have Bert's Auto Parts, which is one of the largest auto parts dealer in Jamaica. And we're still on Camp Road going up now. And you keep in the left lane. We're gonna stay in the left lane. So we have one of the entrance right here to the Jamaica Defense Force camp. On the right here, where you see that wall going up, that uniform looking wall on the right hand side. Passing St. Hugh's High School on the left. this intersection, you have the Jamaica Defense Force on your right. And we have a car wash place on your left. And an auto place. And you can turn right at this intersection to go to Tom Redcombe Drive, but we're going straight ahead. You stay in the left lane. Merge over into your right lane. And you merge over to the right. Because you're going to turn right. Because we're going to turn right into Crossroads. So make the right there. This is Caledonia Crescent here. You can also turn right, and there's a Y road there. You could turn left to go further up to Old Oak Road, or you can turn right to go back down to Caledonia Avenue to Nuttall Hospital. Crossroads. So there's another stoplight right here. You have to be very careful at this stoplight. Be very careful when you're going to go across, because you can hardly see where the light changes when you're going across the road. Just be careful, keep your eye on the wall, on the lights. That road is very funny, you know, because you can't see the lights from the corner. Turn left if you're going downtown to Slack Road or to Courts. Of food places on this road and other stores. Joseph Patty's on your right, Digicel on your right, other wholesale places on your left. HWT Plaza on your left here, insurance company on the right, KFC on your left. On your left. This road is a little rough in places. So KFC, there's a Burger King on the left, Captain's Bakery on the right, Tasty on the left, Burger King on the left, gas station on the left, Texaco gas station on the left, and chicken and things on your left. I like to buy food there. You get 3 big pieces of chicken for $8.50. Appliance Traders Limited on your left, especially if you're buying restaurant equipment. And you have a Maxim Wholesale on your left, FedEx on your right. Seafood, meats and more on your left, fish pot on your left. National Bakery on your left, and a little plaza here on your left. If you're going to New Kingston, you'll keep in the right lane and turn right at the Texaco. National have an outlet on your left, and the bakery is on the left too. So I'm going straight down. We're gonna turn left at Balmoral to go into Halfway Tree. There's a floor office on your left, and the head office, corporate office, is on your left too. And their gym is on the left too. The Cable and Wireless Credit Union is on your left. That's it, right? You would turn, if you want to go to Chelsea Avenue, you cannot turn right here, so there's a time you could turn right after 7. Yeah, you can't have to wait until 7 o'clock to turn right. You'd have to go down and turn back around. I will show you where you can turn, or you make that turn. There's NCU campus here, Northern Caribbean University campus here, Eastern Regional Campus, Kingston. On the right you have Medical Associates Hospital. It's a private hospital, and you have quite a few eye clinics over the right side, opticians and so forth over there in that plaza. There's a tropical battery place on your left. Dentist is on your right too. JPS Credit Union on your left. And there's a nice little place down there so you can buy beauty supplies. There's another place, National has another like wholesale place, National Bakery, when you get peanuts too, nuts and all sorts of stuff around there. Around there. Sad. So this place called Cherries here and more on your left. Let me see. School of Excellence is on your left. I always have auto care places in this area on your right too. And, yeah, I've never been over to that little plaza on your left. The Gynae Center is on your left. Chris Radiology on your right. MRI and stuff. Technology Plus on your right if you want to do like gates and alarms for business and homes and stuff. So National on your left there. Big National store. So for those who don't know, National is famous for breads and biscuits. Called the Heart Hospital. They do cardiac intensive care unit, cardiac and vascular surgery, chest pain center, angiogram and angioplasty, pacemaker and ICD implantation, cardiac diagnostic procedures, executive physical, heart disease and stroke intervention. Oh no, there's a road work going on here, so oh my goodness, road terrible, big pothole. I'm gonna try to see if I can escape it. And they sell plastic bottles, glass bottles, wide variety of bottles. So this road is now gonna meet Maxfield Avenue. gonna go turn left at HWT Park Road. You merge over to the left or take the middle when you're over that side, and then you turn right. So you would be on this side of the road. There's a chunks over here. Okay. There's a tire place on your left. Maxi. It's BD Greg, but they sell Maxi tires. Electrical sales. Place over here. I'm gonna try and change lanes, but the people, they hardly want to give you ways to pass. I'm gonna wait. Since I'm going straight up, I'm gonna wait a little bit. For those who use DEML Water Company, they have an office here on your left. Not this plaza. Let me show you the plaza. If you want to go to them, if you want to make a in-store payment or whatever it is, at 139 Max Center. That's the name of the plaza. That's where they are. The MS supplies a number of gated communities with water. There's a court on, I think HWT police station is on your right, and some courthouse on your right too. So I think Maxfield Avenue ends at the stoplight, and then Eastwood Park Road starts at the stoplight, meaning HWT. So HWT Square is one of the most central points in Kingston. That's where every road merges basically. You have to pass through HWT to go almost anywhere. Almost. And you go that side to go to the shopping centers. So Eastwood Park Road will also, I will show you on Eastwood Park Road. It will be like the back of the shopping centers, like, but you still can enter from that side. And the intersection here, do not stop on the intersection. If the light is on green and there's a lot of traffic, you wait until the traffic clears. Do not stop in the intersection. You will get a ticket, because you will be obstructing traffic if the light changes and you still can't go over to the next side of the road. I should have taken the middle lane, you know. Really should have taken the middle lane. Get a little toot, that means you can go ahead. So this is HWT, turn left to go. So we'll pass HWT Park. This will be Mullines Road. God, no traffic. If you're gonna go Burger King, you stay in the right lane. This is the HWT Transport Center on your right. all the buses come to the public transportation buses. We have a 7 Eastwood Park Plaza here on the left. I've never been in there, but I think there's some great stores in there based on what I see on social media. That is Burger King. This road, what is road name? I'll have to research that and tell you guys. I don't remember what this road name. You can turn, if you're coming off on Constant Spring Road, you can turn left on that road and come back down here to come back on this Eastwood Park Road. The next mall on the right is Pavilion Mall. Very busy now. That's where everybody that take bus and so. Lots of pedestrians. There's a Hello supermarket here on the right too. It's a busman. To watch a busman and the taximen in Jamaica, they will just come out suddenly on you, so you keep an eye on them and let them go. Don't try to fight with them, just let them go about their business, because they have ego, so they don't want to show much. So don't get caught up in the ego game, because it's not worth it. A lot of the road rage is caused by ego. You see what I'm going on with? So they behave. This road in Central Plaza on your right. That's where you have the clothing, the material cloth stores like Pablo's and Pink's, I think. And this is Springs Plaza. Yeah. You can turn right here. You have Max's store in here. You have quite a number of stores, bookstores. There should be a pet store in there. One day I'm going to do a drive through all these plazas when it's not so packed up. Kingston bookshop too is in this plaza. This is Twin Gates Plaza. You have a supermarket here, and if you're into baking, this supermarket, you can get a lot of baking items. They have a special name for the baking store. If you're into cake decorating and all of that, and you get a lot of containers, like food containers in the store. And you have a big jewelry store in this plaza, and you have an island grill in there. And some regular clothing stores. I think you have Derek Harriet record shop upstairs. I'm not sure what he does now that he don't really have records and CDs again. Not sure. I need to go in the next lane now, because the right lane is if you're going into, you're turning right on Constant Spring and going into the plazas. It will not take you further down. So. Vector Technology Institute on your left. So if you want to do some computer courses, I think they do some app development courses. You come across South Avenue from Waterloo. This is where you would end up if you come straight across. There's Halfway Tree Primary down. I'll take a further down on your left. Intersection of Eastwood Park and Red Hills Road. You could turn left and go Red Hills Road. There's a nice big tasty head office where you get sugar and spice cakes around there too. As you go around there on the left, it's right on your exact left as you go around that corner. You turn right, and right takes you right into King's Plaza, Popeyes, and all the other plazas uptown. But King's Plaza is exactly opposite this right turn. When you take this right turn onto Constant Spring Road, so we're going on to Constant Spring Road now. Constant Spring Road is two-way down from that end. But once you pass that stoplight going towards Alfred Tree, Constant Spring Road is a one-way. So Constant Spring Road runs parallel to Eastwood Park Road, which is this road we're on, Eastwood Park Road. So there is a marketplace. Is another place with quite a number of restaurants. And I'm not sure if Usain Bolt place still. There's a Ministry of Justice over here. And there's some Chinese restaurant and other things, Japanese restaurant in Marketplace. I haven't been there in a while. So here we're turning left onto Dunrobin Avenue. I think we'll go a little bit more. It's a little rough part of the road right here. You take your time. Ouch. So this is Dunrobin Avenue. I'm gonna stop the video now. There's a nice supermarket on your right. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see. You get veggies at really, really good prices. It's a Sovereign. It used to be the supermarket that I'm gonna show you. It's right beside the Baptist Church on this road, Boulevard Baptist Church. That supermarket, you get veggies at a really, really good price most times, you know. So, but you have to go like on a Wednesday or Thursday most times to get fresh stuff. So guys, remember to like up my videos, you know, and to leave a little comment. If it's in to say hi, that's the only way I will get more views, right? And please follow so I can monetize, so I can get some good equipment for my videos. So here is the supermarket on your right I'm telling you about. So you would turn right at the stoplight. So thanks for watching and be safe.